Alright YouTube, so today I got a sweet treat. I got some audiofrog gs693s. These are a 3-way 6x9 speaker going in a 2016 Tacoma, and this is my Tacoma, so we're gonna do it the end user way. You go to the local audio store and you got some speakers, and then they give you some adapters and tell you you need these things to do the install. So we're gonna go off of what they say, and we're gonna pretend I'm a consumer at this point, not a experienced installer. I bought all the required parts to do the job. I do already have 6.5s in the front doors. I had FPS tinter go ahead and tint the front doors, and while I was there tinting it, we threw the 6.5s in there. The 6.5s aren't enough for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the 6x9s, and we'll get the 6.5s installed in the back doors. So yep, let's see how it turns out. So to do this, all I got in my hand is a Phillips tip, 10mm pry tool, and a screwdriver just in case. Pry that out, take out the carpet. This you don't have to do this way. I prefer to. It makes it a little bit easier. So then when you check the door, door handle, door panel off. So like I said, this did get 6.5s installed about a week ago. These are G60S's, audiofrogs, factory replacement speaker. Sounds good. I just want a little bit more out of the front end, so we're gonna go ahead and put these in the back doors. That'll be the next video. But so you guys can see what I did here with the front doors. The Tacoma is a little loud. It does have a little bit of road noise. I went ahead and installed some kill mat here on the outer skin, and I went probably like 3/4 of the door. It makes a difference. The base is nice and clean, but let's see if these 6x9s will be a great improvement. All right, so I went to the local audio store. We got a Metra 828154 Toyota speaker plate 12 to 19. This is the 6x9 adapter that's supposed to fit 12 to 18 Tacomas, or 12 to 18 Toyotas in general. And as you can see, it does not seal all the way around. I don't care how you line it up, I don't care how you try and fit it, that's not acceptable. I will not be using this in today's video. I will return those and get my money back. But this is also why 90% of the time I charge for speaker adapters. See that? Tacoma front door speaker 05 plus. This is cut out for a 6.5, but you know, we can, you know, pull out the router and make it work. For a 6x9, it's not a big deal. But look at this adapter, guys. Look, check this out. Wow, it seals. Look at that. Nice, tight, clean. Throw some sound deadening over it, mount the speaker, call it a day. But when you install speakers, you don't want gaps top, you don't want gaps on the bottom. You want a nice, tight seal. So, looks like we'll be turning today's video into a fab session.